as the seasons shift and nostalgia for the bold, smoky flavors of Jamaican jerk sets in, there is no need to wait for the grill. Oven jerk method brings those same vibrant spices and mouth-watering aromas straight to your kitchen, warming both the air and your soul. It's the perfect way to savor a taste of the islands no matter the weather. Stay tuned to Tika's Kitchen on YouTube because our next video features, drum roll please, oven jerk chicken and oven jerk pork beautifully coated in a jerk pineapple sauce, served alongside the beautiful crisp and tender on the inside festival. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Toodles!